Have you ever wished you could live life on your own terms? To work less, travel more, and pursue your passions? Then you need to read The 4-Hour Work Week by Tim Ferriss. In this book, Ferriss shares his blueprint for creating a life of freedom, fulfillment, and financial security, all while working just 4 hours a week. The 4-Hour Work Week is not just another self-help book. It's a practical guide to achieving your goals and designing your life in a way that brings you joy and fulfillment. Ferriss draws on his own experiences as an entrepreneur, investor, and world traveler to show you how to optimize your time, automate your business, and create passive income streams that will allow you to work from anywhere in the world. One of the key principles of the book is the concept of lifestyle design. Ferriss argues that you don't have to wait until retirement to start living the life you want. Instead, you can design your life around your passions, interests, and goals, and create a business that supports that lifestyle. Whether you want to travel the world, learn a new language, or spend more time with your family, the 4-Hour Work Week shows you how to make it a reality. Ferriss also emphasizes the importance of productivity and time management. He believes that most people waste a significant amount of time on tasks that don't actually contribute to their goals. By focusing on the 20% of activities that generate 80% of your results, you can achieve more in less time. Ferriss shares a number of strategies for increasing your productivity, including outsourcing, delegation, and automation. Another key concept in the book is mini retirements. Ferriss argues that instead of waiting until retirement to enjoy life, you should take mini retirements throughout your career. By taking extended breaks to travel, learn new skills, and pursue your passions, you can recharge your batteries and come back to work with renewed energy and creativity. But the 4-Hour Work Week is not just about working less. It's also about creating value and contributing to the world. Ferriss argues that by creating a business that solves a problem or meets a need, you can make a positive impact on the world and earn a living at the same time. He provides practical advice on how to start a business, test your ideas, and scale your operations. Overall, the 4-Hour Work Week is a must-read for anyone who wants to live life on their own terms. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or an employee, Ferriss's strategies for productivity, time management, and lifestyle design can help you achieve your goals and create the life you've always wanted. In conclusion, the 4-Hour Work Week is not just a book, it's a philosophy for living. Ferriss's ideas and strategies are both practical and inspiring, and they have the potential to transform your life. So if you're tired of the daily grind, if you're ready to take control of your life and live on your own terms, then pick up a copy of the 4-Hour Work Week today. It just might be the best investment you ever make.